Hello guys, today I'm gonna playing Monster Trucks Attack, and today I almost beat the game and now I'm level 23 and now level 24 is gonna be a boss fight. But the final boss is gonna be a large monster truck or a lot of bosses, I don't know how. So let's get started! Let's continue playing the level. Okay! Die! Run. Okay, I quit the gun. Oh, run. Are there more coming? I think there's more coming. Yeah, I almost beat all the bosses, but now there's just one boss left. No! Die. Alright. Now let's equip the shotgun. So I'm going to, if any monster truck comes, then I'm gonna... Dang it! I hate this gun! That's it! Burn! Oh no! I ran out of ammo! This is from Victoria! Whoops, sorry guys. I literally can't control my gases! And these trucks are gonna run out of gas, and I made it! Let's slam this one on the ground. Die! Oh my god, there's a whole school of them. Die. Let's place a bomb. No, they can't dodge the bomb. No. Wait. Whoa! This is a little warning to this game if you play it online. There may be lag if there's too much enemies. Oh god, the yellow car! Get out of here! Oh, that's gonna be a epic explosion because I just yeeted the yellow car back into the ground, and rest in peace to all of them. Oh, that's gonna hurt. Alright, how many of them? Oh my god, there's buses. Yeah, these buses really irritate me. I have to drop a bomb, a mega bomb. Alright, fire! Take this, enemies. How about try this? Whoa. And well, how about that? This nuke can obliterate these monster trucks. Alright. Boom! I was so close destroying them. Die! Oh my god, there's more of these buses! They're everywhere! There's a monster truck army everywhere! I gotta drag the bus first. Yeet! That's yeet! Ah! No, he just came back! Are you kidding me? Whoa! Drop and rush the nukes! And the buses are obliterated. And oh my god! Super nuke to the rescue! Whoa! That monster truck just fell. Oh, poor guy. Wait a minute. Whoa! There's now a final boss! Whoa! It's just him? Dante! He's fast! He's literally fast! Oh no, I need to drop my bombs! Die! What? He just got launched! Okay! Where is he? No, it's the third boss. Just truck killer army. Kill this general first because he's almost down. No. That's what he did. All right. Bombs away! Oh, one general. Oh my God! What? That was sick! I completely destroyed 2 generals and now there's 1 general left! I mean, another killer monster truck general! I mean, not Koopa general, sorry. That is my enemy. Get! Alright, Nukes. You got this! Sacrifice yourself! Whoa! He's almost down! Whoa! I beat the game! This is the best day of my life! Oh my God! I beat all the levels! And I got 625,962 score! And I can't believe that happened! Okay guys, I'm gonna end this video. It was very fun playing this game, but now I gotta end this video, and I'll see you in the next video.